Hello everybody, in this video we're going to multiply numbers by 12 using a neat little shortcut. And here's how it works. We're going to start at the right. Suppose we have two digits. We start at the right digit, so that represents B, corresponds to B. And we say B plus twice the digit to the left. So B plus 2A. It's just easiest to be understood. It's going to be easy to understand once we do an example, okay? It's most easily understood with examples. So I'm going to put a 0 here. You also want to make a sandwich, sort of, a 0 sandwich. So 0 to the right, 0 to the left. Okay. And here's how I proceed. So 0 plus 2 times 2. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay. And I'm done with this step. And I'm going to put a dot there to represent that. Now, next step, 2 plus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Okay. 2 plus 8 is 10. So I'm going to say this. I have to carry the 1, so I'm going to write it like that. Okay, now I'm done. Great. So now I'm over here. 4 plus 2 times 0 is just 4 plus 0, which is 4, plus the carried 1 makes 5. There we go. So 42 times 12 is 504. Remember, this 0 doesn't make it 420. It just helps us with the calculation. Okay, let's do the next one. Make a 0 sandwich. First thing you do. 0 plus 3 times 2 is 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay, done with that step. 3 plus 2 times 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7. So I'm going to put a 7, done with that step. Okay, next step. 2 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4. So I'm going to write a 4 right there. And I'm done with that step. And last step, 1 plus 2 times 0 is just 1. So I say 1. Final answer, 1,476. Okay? All right. Next one, 0 sandwich. First thing we do. So 0 plus 2 times 2 is just 4. 4 goes here. Done with this step. Next step, 2 plus 8 is 10, right? 4 times 2 is 8, so 2 plus 8 is 10. So I'm going to write it like this. Great. Done with this step. Next step, 4 plus 12, because 6 doubled is 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Okay, so done with this step. Next step, 6 plus 6, because 3 doubled is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And last step, 3 plus 2 times 0 is just 3, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so final answer, 43,704. Okay, for number 4, I'm going to put a 0 here and a 0 here. Now let's proceed. 0 plus 2 times 2 is 4. So done with that step. Now I go here. 2 plus 10, doubled 5 is 10, so 2 plus 10 is 12. So I'm going to write it like this since I have to carry the 1. Okay, now I go here. 5 plus 16 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Okay, so 1, 2 is carried. I'm done with that step. 8 plus 7 doubled is 14, so 8 plus 14 is 22, plus 2. Let's do that again, I'm sorry. So 8 plus 7 times 2 is 14. 8 plus 14 is 22, plus 2 is 24. Great. So now we go here. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And now I go here. 4 plus 0, because 2 times 0 is just 0, is just 4, plus 1 is 5. So final answer, 574,000. Is a 7. 574,224. Okay, let's do this one. Don't forget to put the 0 sandwich. Make the 0 sandwich. So I'm going to put the answer over here. 0 plus 14 is 14, so I'm going to write it like that. Step 2, 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Now I go here, 3 plus 8, because I have to double the 4. 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Now I go here, 4 plus 16 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Now I go here, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Okay, now I go here, 2 plus 12 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Okay, now I go here, 6 plus 0, double 0 is just 0, is just 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so final answer, 7,541,244. Okay, this one, I'm going to put a zero sandwich, and notice how we have the multiplier is not 12, it's 24. So not a big deal. 24 is equal to 12 times 2, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double this number first, okay? And I just get, so we can easily double this number because I have 42. I'm going to think of this as 42 doubled, so that's 84, and then 6 doubled is 12. So I'm thinking in my head 84 and then 12. So 84, I have to carry that 1. So 85 and then 2. So I just get 852. And this has to be multiplied by 12. Okay, so I'm going to make my zero sandwich. Now let's put the answer over here. So 0 plus 4 is just 4, right? I doubled the 2 already. Done with this step. 2 plus 10 is 12, so I'm going to say 12. Done with this step. 5 plus 16 is 21, plus 1 is 22. So I'm going to write it like that. Done with this step. And last step, 8 plus 0 is just 8, plus 2 is 10. So I'm going to write the answer like that. So 10,224. And 72 is equal to 12 times 6. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this by 6 first, okay? So I get 12, right? Carry the 1, 42, 3, carry the 4. 18 plus 4, 22, so 2, carry the 2. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 is 26, carry the 2. And 8 times 6 is 48, plus 2 is 50. Great. So now I'm going to multiply this number by 12, since I already multiplied the first number by 6. So I'm going to say times 12. Now I'm going to make my zero sandwich. Okay, and let's get the answer right here. So step 1, 0 plus 4 is 4. Done with that one. 2 plus 6 is 8. Done with step 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 12 is 14. 6 plus 0 is just 6, plus the carried 1 makes 7. Now over here, 0 plus 10 makes 10. And 5 plus 0 just makes 5, plus the carried 1 makes 6. So our final answer is 6,074,784. Okay, these are neat little tricks that we're using, but you have to practice them a bit to get comfortable with them. Okay, so good job, and make sure you practice.